Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable flashlight alerts on your iPhone. This feature allows your iPhone camera flash to blink whenever you receive notifications or calls, which can be really useful if your phone is on silent or if you don't want to miss important alerts. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Accessibility. You can also use the search bar at the top of Settings and simply type Accessibility to find it faster. Once you are inside Accessibility, scroll down until you find Audio and Visual and tap on it. Now scroll all the way down again until you see LED Flash for Alerts and tap on it. Here, simply toggle on the option called LED Flash for Alerts. You can also enable Flash on Silent if you want the flashlight alerts to work even when your iPhone is in silent mode. After turning it on, your iPhone flashlight will blink whenever you receive calls, messages, or notifications. And that's basically it. That's how you can enable flashlight alerts on your iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.